here is how to hide game status on Steam so that people who are in your friend list won't see what game you are playing right now and won't see that in-game status which you'll see when a friend will join a game. So I'll show you two ways how to do that. So the first method is if you reach your profile, alright, now press on edit profile. And once you are in the settings of Steam, let's hit privacy settings, and we are interested in game details, only in this one specific, because we can find these settings also controls whether you're seen as in-game and the title of the game you are playing right now. So if you'll set this to private, no one can see the game which you're playing right now. If you want, you can set it to friends only, and if you want everybody to see that in-game status, which game you are playing right now, you will have to leave it on public. So you'll have to leave it on private if you don't want to be seen by anyone, or you can leave it on public, and all you have to do, just open this friends and chat group, and you'll find here an arrow, and if you'll press on offline, now you can hit and play which game you want, because in this way no one will locate and no one will be notified that you open up a game. So this is how to hide the in-game status on Steam, and how to hide if you're playing a game and you don't want to be seen by anyone.